Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through the each and every page. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the nav bar and you can see the hover effect, underline hover effect, as well as we have included the icons into our nav bar like the briefcase, fire as well as home icon. And you can see the Abhiram is highlighted and we have created a mask using SVG. Then we have the contact. You can see the hover effect, box shadow effect over it. And you can see that we have integrated the social media icons as well as whenever you hover onto it, the color changes. Then you can see that the smooth transition revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript, and you can see the box shadow effect around each and every skill that we have added. And you can see we have also integrated the icons here. Then we can go to the portfolio section, and in the portfolio section you can see when we hover onto it, we will get an page layout, a blur layout, where you can see we have also linked our Instagram, Facebook and GitHub links, so that you can be able to view this website, the portfolio the projects that we have previously worked upon. Then we can go to the about section. You can see small about section we have here, and then we have the contact me form. You can see that the smooth revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript library, and the animation is very pure. It is a very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. Let me show you the website to you. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of this website. So this is the mobile version of this website. As you can see, they are perfectly aligned with each and every section is aligned to the exact size of the page. And you can see that we have also added our menu bar here. You can see the menu bar, clearly menu bar, very responsive and moving with a precision to the particular section that we want. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it is a very beginner friendly website. Uh, it is a very much professional website that you can use for your recruiting purposes, also for your resume projects, for your school projects or college projects. The entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely let me know any suggestions in the comment section, and any suggestions if you want to give me also, please let me know in the comment section. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more tutorials and for awesome front-end web development, definitely try to visit the channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive watch website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Right now we are in the home section. You can see the navbar elements as well as the hover effect, color change on it. And this responsive watches website also has an functionality, that is light and dark mode functionality. You can see we can change it from light mode to dark mode using this button. And we have an add to cart button. You can see here the cart as well. Then we can go to the main section. You can see we have added the text that is for the social media tags, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. And you can see the hover effect on the button, and you can see the shadow effect around the button. Then we can go to the next section, that is the feature section. And you can see whenever I hover onto it, we'll get an extra bar with the button element to buy the button. And you can see the hover and enlargement. And you can see we have aligned the sale element exactly towards the left hand top side to get a very perfect and professional look to the section. We can go to the next one. Here you can see the watch is aligned perfectly at the center, background, the button also. Then we can go to the product section. You can see the hover effect, as well as you can see the hover effect on the add to cart button, changing its color to pink. Then we can go to the next section. You can see this is the testimonial section, perfectly aligned and with an swiper functionality. This is done by using JavaScript library, swiper library. Then we can go and you can see the perfectly circled image here we have created and a mask behind it. Then we can go to the new arrival section, and you can see the hover effect on them. and getting a background change as well as the button change. That is, new button will change to black color, and button hover we get the buy now button. Then we can go to the next, that is our subscribe to newsletter. You can see the hover effect, email, and we can go to the footer section, then the social icons that we have added. Then we can go to the top button by using this button, and as I told you before, it is also available in a dark mode. You can see this is the dark mode of the website, perfectly color ambient for both light mode and dark mode. We have perfectly aligned each and every section with very good colors, and you can see the hover effect. The entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of the website. This is the mobile version of the website. You can see perfectly aligned based on the size of the screen. No space, extra large space is taken. Perfectly aligned. And we have the menu bar here, the top. You can see very smooth transition, movement from one section to another section. And the theme change button is also available here only. You can see the color change from light mode to dark mode. Perfectly aligned each and every section. You can see this is the tab version of the website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The full tutorials are available on the channel. If you like the content, definitely watch them. And if you like them, definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.